Hey guys, welcome to GBS Garage, and in today's one, we're finally working on a GY6 again. This time, we're swapping a GY6 50 ped to a GY6 125 ped. And not only is it a GY6 125, it's fuel injected, so it's going to be fucking rapid. Cannot wait. Let's get straight into the video. Now, if you're interested in GY6 shit, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So if you subscribe and press that notification bell, you'll see all my GY6 content in the world. Totally not creepy at all.
A messy mind. Think I need to help you. I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby. Hotter than flames.
So, in this multi-part series, not only are we going to be changing this 50cc engine here to a bigger 125 fuel injected engine, but we're going to be taking all this tape off, because I only put it on there to get this thing home. Believe it or not, it's actually pretty good condition underneath that. And two, we're going to be reinforcing all the frame and stuff at the front to handle any wheelies we want to throw at it. We're going to be chucking big old wheels on it, bigger brakes. We're going to be going over absolutely everything to get this ped absolutely rapid. So, starting right now, let's get to work.
I wanna get restless.
So the issue is, I cannot get the seat lock open to fucking move. And it's fucking annoying, because all I have to do is turn it a little bit to just pop the seat, but it just won't do it. I've now broke the entire mechanism so it just spins as well, but just wanted it to unlock the seat. Oh, so I've done it, there's the cable, I'm opened it, seat's off, let's carry on. So what I'm going to do now that the tape and the seat's off, I'm just going to keep taking all the plastics off until it's just bare metal. Quite simply.
We're giving temptation was craving. You love it, you hate it. Now let me take the lead. I know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna lock the doors, zip it off.
So I just have to show you guys quick how I got this thing home. The front wheel was held on with a quick release that's bent to fuckery from a push bike that's taped on. And that's how I got it home. Pushing it like that. If it does the job, it does the fucking job. So this is how we got the moped home. Quick release push bike axle. We're up to the treat. So this front brake disc here is actually the exact same size as the new rear brake disc that's going on this thing. Just take that in mind. That front is the same as the new rear. Mad. So now all the plastics are off, it's time to get the electrics off too. So we've got the main loom off and the secondary loom. Now it's just time to keep going through, unbuttoning the next few things, to keep taking this thing apart. This is what it's looking like now. We've got this big old pile of shit we've taken off. Front wheel there, look. And yeah, so we've got the main thing basically stripped down now. There's no electric left on there, like the actual loom and stuff. The tank is now loose, so I can be able to take the tank off soon. And yeah, mint. So this is actually the first part in a multi-part series, so don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get more notifications with it. But yeah, that's it. So today we've got all the electrics off, we've got all the plastics off, we've got the build started. Oh, it's getting there. Now, let's show you the engine that's going in this thing. So, here it is. This is a GY6 125 engine. It's got both the engine mounts still attached to, well, the top engine mount is still attached to it because I wanted to reuse it, as this one mounts from the bottom instead of the top. As you can see, there's no mount across there where the other one was. The mount is down here. So, that's the first thing we've got to modify. But, that is a thing for another video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked it, give it a like. If you disliked it, give it a dislike. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.